That was a jump scare.
Oh.
Mentally and loudly. What's going on, everybody? Dally and Lord Lunas, king of the
Loons. The bird.
If you guys are wondering what's going on, tonight we're actually streaming BioShock 2. First, let me explain that, how it got to be that one. Because if you guys looked at the schedule, it's actually supposed to be BioShock 1, in which Andrew swore to his grave. He's like, I got it. I was like, okay, cool. So I brought my Xbox. He's like, I don't got it. I got BioShock 2. So I'm like, okay. You know, there's worse things to happen. So that's fine and good. So I set up my Xbox 360. Then I get Sonic Generations out, and unprovoked, the disc tray retracts in on itself as I'm trying to put BioShock 2 in there. Because you guys are probably wondering why the fuck's the game not in the system. Well, that's the funny part of the story, guys. And that's, I think it'll just be easier to show you. When you try to press the fucking button, look what happens. It freezes. This happens to me a lot. And it's just...
Xboxes are pieces of shit.
We'll get it open. I didn't want to delay it too long. So, oh god, you guys can look at my shitty
Resident Evil 5 theme.
Shitty Resident Evil menu. I'll be trying to open it real quick. So what did everybody do today? You guys ready? You guys like BioShock 2?
Not the first one.
How do you guys feel
not Infinite. 2. I think 2 is fun.
I actually never played 2.
Really?
I own it.
Why'd you feel the need to put that?
Because I don't want all the people to come in here and I gotta keep telling them the story.
Oh, okay, yeah.
Then maybe somebody in chat will tell them. So there we go. All right, so we're back.
This is interesting.
No, this is bullshit. This is the month of bullshit. Come on, 360. Piece of shit. Fucking fuck.
The best stream!
No, it's fucking stupid.
Top 10 anime battles. Zach trying to beat the Xbox 360.
That'd be a fun one.
Lord Luna says it's been a half hour, dear God. Oh.
Has it really?
Yeah, it has.
What the fuck happened to time zone?
Got my PS4 with Overwatch over there.
2 more minutes.
Alright, that's what you said 10 minutes ago. Man, we really are going back in time. Holy fuck, we're going back to 2001!
I want to go back to 2001 when my disc tray worked.
Yeah, that doesn't work either, Lord Lunas.
What do you say?
He says, isn't there an open disc tray option in the menu?
Yeah, we tried it.
Dark Wolf he just linked, he said this might help, and linked a support thing from Xbox's website. Manually eject disc, it says. When you walk away, you don't hear me say. If an outsider came down here and seen everything that was happening right now, they'd be so scared. Look at, oh my god. I feel like I'm going nuts. What the fuck?
Hey, do you have a paper clip?
Yeah, I do.
Okay, there's like a hole for it.
Oh yeah.
That might work.
Well, you got 4 minutes. Lord Luna says, so are we just dedicated to this, or... Oh my god. What? I just see Nightbot just go, enjoying the stream? Consider dropping... Look at me, ready, I'm Paper Rick.
I still don't see it. There's supposed to be a yellow...
Are you sure it's for that model?
Probably not, to be honest. I don't see it. Yeah. There's no yellow spot or anything inside here. I would love to tell you that we're streaming Bioshock 2, but if you check the uptime with the exclamation point uptime, you find out that for the past hour we've been trying to open up the disc tray on the fucking thing.
And then Dopey Open comes and says, you can use a flathead screwdriver to pry open the tray.
I'm-
And he
dude-
says, Bioshock or bust.
Buddy, we tried. Who said Bioshock or bust?
Dopey Opium.
Dopey Opium.
Oh, I have a loot box!
Oh yeah! Yeah, boy! It's open! No! Shut the fuck up! It's open! Oh
God damn it.
Where's Bioshock 2?
I was so excited.
What? This was your original pick.
Yeah, but then I remembered they had the Halloween event going on.
We can do that a different day. We can do that next Wednesday if you want. When we don't have anything else planned. Ah, welcome to the Milky Finishers.